Hey guys, thank you for joining me. My name is Carrie with Core Marketing Group, your Shopify experts. And today we are talking about local pickup and local delivery options with Shopify. So this is a feature that was recently rolled out, probably, I want to say 3 or 4 months ago, and it's super simple to set up. So I'm going to do a quick walkthrough on how to set it up and the different customizations that you can do. So first thing you want to do is you want to navigate over to your settings, and we're going to hit locations. So the main thing is you want to make sure your location information is correct. So you can add up to 8 locations, even more if you have a bigger plan. But this will allow you to be able to specify which location that you want to offer pickup and delivery from. So if you needed to change your information, this is usually set up when you first set up your Shopify site. It's going to take the address that you put in. So if you needed to update this location, you would do so here, and then just go ahead and save. So then we're going to go back over to shipping and delivery under settings. So you're going to see this local delivery option. So we're going to hit manage, and we're going to click that it does offer local delivery. So you have a couple different options. You can set it on a delivery radius. So say we want to be able to deliver within 20 miles from our location, okay? And say the minimum order is $5. I'm gonna remove, and then the delivery price, I don't know, is $2, right? And then if you want to do conditional pricing, you can do orders from $5 up or an additional cost. So if we did $5 to, you know, 10, and then so if it's a larger item, then it's, free delivery. Okay. And then you can put your delivery information here, and that's going to go out in their order confirmation notice. The other options is to use the zip code. So you can implement specific zip codes you want to be able to deliver to. And there's also an option to include like neighboring states or regions. So I'm going to hit save. And then so when we go to our website, I've got my item in the cart. And if I go to checkout, based on the information that I have, I'm going to get the local delivery as an option. So then it will ask the customer to put in their mobile number, and then if there's any delivery instructions that are optional, like drop off by the door, or if there's a gate code to the community, that can be used, and then they'll continue to payment. So that is how you set up local shipping. Super simple, super easy. So we're going to go back over here. We're going to leave this local delivery. And now we're going to go over to local pickup. Kind of the same process. You click on it, you activate it, and you're going to have the options for information at checkout. So your expected pickup time can be whatever you want it to be. So we're going to choose like 4 hours. And this is the location that they can pick up to. Remember, if you have more than one location, you can go back to your location setups and add additional locations. Maybe if you even had temporary ones, you could set those up as well. And then you can add your order, your pickup notification. So if it's like curbside pickup or what customers need to do when they arrive at your store for pickup. So it's going to send them that information. So we're going to hit save. And we're going to go back to our website. We're going to hit refresh. And I'm going to go check out. And now we have, if I go back to information, now we're going to have the pickup option. So if I wanted to choose that, continue to payment, then we would be able to do local pickup for that. So those are the simplified instructions for local pickup and local delivery. If you have any questions, as always, you can connect with us on Instagram at Core Marketing, or you can check out our website at coremarketinggroup.com. Thank you.